In which year coronaviruses were first identified? In 1965. Who coined the name coronavirus? June Almeida and David Tedder. The word coronavirus is derived from which language? Latin language. How many types of coronaviruses are there? 7 types of coronaviruses are there. COVID-19 disease is caused by which virus? SARS-CoV-2. What type of virus is SARS-CoV-2? RNA virus. What is the full form of SARS-CoV-2? Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. From where coronavirus got its name? Due to their crown-like projections. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan. What is the full form of COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019. When the first case of novel coronavirus was identified? In December 2019. Where the first case of COVID-19 seen in outside China? In Thailand. When was the first case of COVID-19 seen in India? On 30 January 2020. In which state the first case of COVID-19 reported in India? In Kerala. When was WHO designated novel coronavirus as COVID-19? On 11 February 2020. When WHO officially declared COVID-19 as global pandemic? On 11 March 2020. When coronavirus outbreak was declared as public health emergency of international concern by WHO? On 30 January 2020. The liquid part of blood is known as plasma. Which test is done to check for coronavirus infection? RT-PCR. What is the full form of RT-PCR? Reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Which organs of human body are most affected by the coronavirus disease? Lungs. India's first COVID-19 death occurred in which state? In Karnataka. India's first COVID-19 vaccine which has been approved for human trial is Covaxin. Janata curfew was held on 22nd March 2020. First state to impose full curfew in the entire state due to COVID-19 is Punjab. Which medicine has been recommended by the task force constituted by ICMR for coronavirus? Hydroxychloroquine. What is the full form of PM CARES Fund? Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund. Government of India has launched which app to track COVID-19 patient? Arogya Setu app. Arogya Setu app launched on 2nd April 2020. Who started Operation Namaste to fight COVID-19? Indian Army. Which is the first state to start pool testing for COVID-19 samples? Uttar Pradesh. Which state has launched the Break the Chain campaign to fight coronavirus? Kerala. Reliance Industries Limited set up India's first COVID-19 dedicated hospital in which city? Mumbai. Which mobile app has been launched by Google recently for social distancing? Sodar. Which bank announced to provide 0.25% of its annual profit to fight COVID-19? State Bank of India.